Hello and welcome to another DSDApp tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the most efficient and correct way to navigate through the app and work with the application. First, go to New Case and start the patient documentation. Next, you're going to take the pictures straight from the application. Click the plus button, and the second to last option is Take Photo. If you already have the photo, you can choose it from the gallery. Select a front facial rested. Next, a front facial smile. And a frontal retracted photo. Once you're done, on the lower right hand corner, press the next button. Fill in patient info. And in the lower right hand corner, press Save Case. You can save on the cloud. And after it's done saving, you're going to want to go to your cases. Go to My Cases. Find the case you just opened, and on the right hand side, click Open. Lower right hand corner, click Timeline. Towards the right, click the Open button. Check out the pictures you took, make sure they're correct. Lower right hand corner, click the next arrow. And now you can begin your smile simulation. Please follow and see the smile simulation video we have created for more information on how to do a simple smile simulation. Thanks for watching.